vlog. Plus a million subscribers.
Hello, guys, and welcome to the third part of our Switzerland adventure. And this time, we will experience travel from a Glacier Panoramic Express train. But before we proceed, many of my friends and relatives are asking why our son didn't come with us. Well, first, spring break is over, and secondly, he's already an adult and on the stage of wanting to explore the world with friends and loved ones. So, how to get to Glacier Express train for one day from Zurich? Take the train to Core and board the Glacier Express from there until Zermatt for an overnight stay because this is the end point of the travel that will take you 8 hours slow train ride. But we took off at Brig instead with only 4 hours travel time and back to Zurich. You can go on a private tour if you wish to, but it will cost you 482 US dollars. But in our case, we did it on our own. And as I said in my last video, I'm good in researching travels and itineraries, but my husband is the one who executes the plan. And with the 3 days Swiss pass, we got it for free for an unlimited first class train ride. And the only thing we pay is the seat reservation plus the meal that you can order on board. You might think that due to the name of the train that you will see one glacier after the other. However, the glaciers are up in the
Two glasses of
mountains.
this.
Yes, they are close,
Yes, this
but
is-
you can hardly
yes,
see
yes.
them from the
Two
train. But the views from outside is already amazing and stunning. I am sharing our travel experience with you, not to brag about it. The travel saving tip is a good way to know that if we can do it, then you can do it too. Life is beautiful, so let us enjoy life to the fullest. Thank you guys and welcome aboard. Enjoy watching.
That's it. Yeah. Oh my god. Beautiful. Mapapawaw ka talaga.
Kaya pala surprise.
Wow. Video pa naman. Wow. Must be another surprise here.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.